Okay, let's have a talk about tires. I had new tires put on the front of my vehicle, and I had the old tires taken off and put on the inside on the back. Last year before I left, I had to go back to the shop because the valve stem they put on the other side was bad. Now this valve stem is the leak. I put all this soapy water on here. If you look right there, you can see the bubbles coming out of that. Well, that's where it's leaking. You see when I moved that, how much more it's gotten. So that valve stem is leaking. That's probably the reason why my tire went down. Now I've got a brand new tire on the rack here, and I think what I'm gonna do is put the new tire on it, call the guys that did this tire last, and get them to put another new valve stem in this, or I could take it to a different shop. I don't know. But right now, with all the social distancing going on, I'm not sure. But what I can do is go ahead and throw my good new tire on here. Now what that's going to involve is me getting under here and loosening that, which is a little treacherous because it's sitting on a jack and I don't have it blocked up. But it's got tires on this side, so if I go under from this side, I should be able to drop this down. I don't like that much. My other option would be to find a bunch of blocking and stick up under there. See, I've got to get these nuts loose from that one that's in the rack. I'm gonna do that with an air wrench. So let me get an air wrench. So what I'm gonna do is I've got some blocking. I'm gonna bring it out here and I'm gonna slide it up under there so that if that jack should slip, it would fall onto something instead of falling onto the ground. I can get that right now. What I did instead of blocking that up is I just set it, I put this wheel on it, and if the jack was to come down in it, would come down on this wheel, which wouldn't let it fall. I couldn't find a way to get blocking under there in a way where I could slide it up under something that made sense, you know, it was snug and everything. I didn't want to put it under a gas tank, I didn't want to put it under a spare tire rack, I didn't want to put it under a sway bar mount. So anyway, I can run that tire up there for him in the morning. He said bring it at 8 o'clock, and then he said he could fix it right then, and then I can take it home. Okay. So I'm gonna just kind of leave stuff here for the most part. Shouldn't need this big hammer or that pull bar, any of that stuff again, so I can put that stuff away.